Good day class. We are connected to English online class. So let's begin it. Today we are going to do exercise number 2.6 and it is related to possessive pronouns. Before going through the exercise, let us have a quick look at the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun points towards the owner of something. It means it tells us about to whom the thing belongs to. कि कोई भी जो चीज़ है वो किसकी है, उसका ऑनर कौन है. So we come to know about this through possessive pronouns. Like here we are having list of possessive pronouns related to all personal pronouns. Hers. Hers किसका possessive pronoun है? She. She is the personal pronoun and hers is the possessive pronoun of she. She, her, hers. अब his. His is the possessive pronoun of the personal pronoun he. He, him, his. He, him, his. And next is mine relates to I. I, me, mine. Next is ours. Now it is the possessive pronoun of we. We, us, ours. Next is theirs. Theirs is the possessive pronoun of they. They, them, theirs. They, them, theirs. Now yours. Yours. You, yours. You, yours. So class, we are seeing that in order to make possessive pronouns, we are adding s at the last. But here he, him, his. Here his already ending with the letter s, so single s will be there. I, me, mine. Now we, us, ours. So we are adding s at the last in maximum per possessive pronouns. Now let's move towards the exercise. Here we are having the first sentence. This shrewdness of dash will land him in trouble. This shrewdness of his. He, him, his. You will write here his. Next is your shirt is not as bright as mine. I से बन जाएगा mine और dash और he, him, his और his. तुम्हारी शर्ट उतनी ब्राइट नहीं है जितनी कि मेरी और उसकी है. Third is his farm yields much more grain than. Again I will convert into mine and you will convert into or yours. At number 4, what you call your property is not really yours. This house is not mine, but he, him, his, but his. यह घर मेरा नहीं है लेकिन उसका है, his. Next is the poet prefers his own poem to yours and hers. Let's come on the next page. We are having sentence number 7. My height is not the same as dash. You are the taller. मेरी हाइट तुम्हारे जितनी नहीं है, तुम ज़्यादा लंबे हो. As yours. The hat which you wear is larger than mine. You will write the word mine here or hers. She, her, hers. By adding s at the last. That box is he, him, his. That box is his. Not yours. Not yours. So leave it where it was. यह बॉक्स जो है कहते हैं वह बॉक्स इज हिज, उसका है, तुम्हारा नहीं है. सो इसे वहीं छोड़ दो जहाँ पर ये था. I wish I had seen that letter of yours. That letter of yours. Before I post it. Now it is given here. Before I post it. So we see that I pronoun is given here. before I posted mine. This pronoun is I. Next is that house is dash, not dash. That house is theirs, not ours. वह घर उनका है, हमारा नहीं है. Take what is dash and leave what is dash. जो तुम्हारा है वो तुम ले लो और जो हमारा है उसे छोड़ दो. And leave what is ours. At number 13, my house and yours were built on precisely the same place. Next is that house of dash is very handsomely furnished. That house of theirs. They, them, theirs. उनका जो घर है वो बहुत ही हैंडसमली, बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से फर्निश किया गया है. So class, this is your exercise related to possessive pronoun. You have to go for the possessive pronouns and try to do it by your own. Thanks for watching the video, class. Let's sum up here. Good.